Welcome to Un Ojo, where with one eye on the fix and the other on your finished masterpiece, we troubleshoot, save you money, and light it up right. We're gonna build a community together on how-tos for everybody, for everyday needs, for people who can't afford those electricians' high service fees, and for the people who need fresh ideas for home improvements, lighting ideas of any type. And last but not least, how-tos on safely troubleshooting electrical issues. Every suggestion mindful of safety, aligned with standard codes, and always empowering you to handle the small fixes confidently. Thank you.